Now, the National Construction Authority, NCA, has been urged to work with the relevant building construction engineers in the country in an effort to achieve solid construction without faults, even with regular reported cases of buildings collapsing in Nairobi and other regions. The Vice President candidate of the Institute of Engineers of Kenya, that is Butiche Hamisi, asserts that in order to enhance the techniques and procedures employed in construction, private developers must provide engineers more authority in building construction ventures. He emphasized that although the organizations in charge of providing approval and enforcing safety compliance during construction have ignored the consequences, that is, of building toppling, the moment was ripe for engineers on board, or the Engineers Board Kenya, to step in and enhance the industry. The 21st of this month is the scheduled date for the Institute of Engineers of Kenya election. It is anticipated that about 5,000 registered engineers would take part in the event.
Most of these private developers, you'll find that they exclude the engineer from the process, from full process of supervision of the project. And as I said earlier on, that our structures fail not because of poor designs, it's because of poor implementation. When an engineer is not involved, the one who designed the structure is not involved in the implementation of the project, or is given some minimal participation in terms of, for you to be facilitated to go to site, there's some cost involved. The issue of like resident engineer, how on earth would somebody come from UK or from China to be a resident engineer in this country? These are things that we want to address with the public institutions, those who craft these contracts, to make sure that we have our local engineers presiding over our infrastructure. Other engineers can come in through any other form, either as managers, project managers, but those who implement the project right from the resident engineer all the way to all the individual engineers must be, a bigger portion of it must be our engineers in this country.